Welcome to Zill. Today we are going to see about Python ternary operator. In Python we have a concept ternary operator. We'll see about ternary operator in Python. Ternary operator. We also known as ternary operator. We also call as conditional operator. In other programming language, to work with a ternary or conditional operator, we use one operator. We use a like symbol called question operator, question mark followed by colon, question mark followed by column. Here it is not like that. It is somewhat different, but concept is same. But we have some different syntax. First, we will see syntax. How then we'll see how it is going to work. Syntax. First, variable name equals to not. First, we'll see about condition. Before condition, it is followed by colon, question mark. Question mark. Other programming is here is not like that. First, we have if. In single line, we'll go and write if condition, or you can say not only condition, you can also say as a boolean expression also. Boolean expression anyway. If this boolean expression is true, then here we have one more thing called a true statement. It's going to execute this true statement. Here it's going to execute about this true statement. If this condition is false, suppose our if condition, our boolean expression is false, let's go with an else. It is like false. It's going to execute a false statement. Whenever this condition, or this boolean expression, it is true, then this true statement will be executed. Then this true statement is going to be executed. Suppose is about true. Suppose this is evaluated. This statement it is evaluated to false. Then after else, the else statement of false statement is going to be executed. This is a functionality of ternary operator in Python. We'll see one example on it. We'll see like one example. Let's see an example. Just I want to take result equals to if, I'm writing first true and else. If the condition is true, I'm writing like I'm taking as a true. Here I want to take like a false. Next print result. Just I want to print what only result. Save this and I'm running this. See, here we are going to get about a true. Suppose if I given as a false, and I'm running this example, see, it is going to get a false. It works on true and false case. And we'll see one more example. One more example, like greater. Like which number is greater I want to find. Like I am taking like a equals to 5, b equals to 7. A equals to 5 and b equals to 7. Now I want to write a condition like which is greater I need to know. That we call Boolean expression will work if a is greater than b. First I am writing a is greater than b. If a is big, if a is greater, if a is greater, just I am writing like a. Just I am writing like nothing I am writing what right. Just I am writing this a. And next else obviously b. Then obviously b. Then I want to store in result equals to. And next I want to print like big equals to result equals to result. Just I want to save and I want to run at present. I'm running this. You see, big is 7. Big is 7. Suppose this is 15. Suppose this is 15. Now condition is going to be true, then you will get the answer as a 15. Let's see. See, b is 15. This is about working of a ternary operator in Python. Yeah. Thanks watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.